cities have been a focus since the 1990s at least for sustainability initiatives as places where you can actually get things done, where you can get the ball rolling on a lot of things. And once you have lots of cities doing these things, then you can get global advancement on some of the sustainability goals. This has resulted in great advancements around questions of creating circular economies in cities, addressing issues of biodiversity, addressing issues of urban greening. But it's maybe we're at a point where there's an occasion to sort of regroup around these issues and reform the identity around urban sustainability. So we're proposing a new undergraduate certificate at the University of British Columbia in urban sustainability. And we define urban sustainability as very much connected to wider sustainability initiatives. So the effort to kind of balance ecological preservation with social equity within the confines of current economic conditions. But urban sustainability is really focused on doing so in and through cities. One issue that is really core is the principle of interdisciplinarity. No sustainability challenge can be solved within one silo. You have to be able to work across, between, within, outside of silos in order to be able to solve these sustainability challenges. The Urban Sustainability Certificate is designed to cut across the disciplinary divides that might give you a kind of a singular focus on one of these issues and really frame them within a deeper background. Students spend most of their time here within their faculty, but this is an opportunity for them to step out of that space and really discover the relevance that can be gained by doing so. One thing I've had occasion to do on a fairly regular basis is to talk to a number of potential future employers of current UBC students that are interested in sustainability, interested in cities. And one thing that you hear as a very common thread across different kinds of employers is that they need people, professionals, coming in to work with them that have two things: depth and breadth. They need depth in the sense of there are certain specific challenges that require a very deep set of skills. You need to be able to design different kinds of spaces in cities that are more responsive to biodiversity challenges. You have to study them for over a long period of time and walk out with the ability to do those things. But breadth is the other side of the challenge here that employers always talk about as well. They need people that have that kind of broader framework that they can contextualize their deep skills within. They need people that can sit down at the table and help to solve these demands that come to them from global challenges. And they're being asked to have some sort of say, some sort of solution. Everything from climate to biodiversity challenges, even to questions of social equity, including indigenous inclusion and inclusion of marginalized populations. And one without the other is usually not what employers are looking for in this space. And so we see the certificate as really able to work across faculties in UBC and bring that breadth dimension to students who already, I think UBC is doing a very good job of building a lot of depth. But this is that extra layer that they can put on that I think will really help them to meet that full bar that employers are looking for in the urban sustainability space. It's amazing to have the kinds of support that the Sustainability Hub provides at UBC, and particularly in this program as a Sustainability Education Fellow, it's been very eye-opening to learn about what all the other initiatives are that are currently going on amongst my colleagues and other fellows here who are developing really important and deep opportunities across the university. So I very much have enjoyed that process.